Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize Quick Launch into your VIVO V20 SE. First of all, open Settings, and then into Settings Search, here, write Quick, this one. And then from the list, choose Quick Action, this one. And here on the bottom we got another function for Quick Launch. For example, record audio, open camera, or open app, and then need to choose your application to opening and choose your option, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.